Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in my inbox. Is Vivid Money a real website? Let's find out together. You've probably stumbled upon ads for Vivid Money, promising incredible returns on your investments. But is it too good to be true? Let's explore the world of Vivid Money and see if it's a legitimate platform or just another online scam. What is Vivid Money? Vivid Money is a digital financial platform that offers a range of financial services, including investing, saving, and budgeting. They claim to provide a simple and user-friendly way to manage your money. Red flags to watch out for. Before we dive into the legitimacy of Vivid Money, let's discuss some common red flags to look out for when dealing with online financial platforms. Unrealistic returns. If a platform promises exceptionally high returns with minimal risk, it's likely a scam. High-pressure sales tactics. Legitimate platforms don't need to use aggressive sales tactics to attract customers. Lack of transparency. Be wary of platforms that are secretive about their operations or fees. Negative reviews. Look for online reviews from real users to get a sense of the platform's reputation. Analyzing Vivid Money. Now, let's apply these red flags to Vivid Money. Here's what we've found. Investment options. Vivid Money offers a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. While this seems legitimate, it's important to research the specific investments offered to ensure they align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Fees. Vivid Money charges fees for certain services, including trading and currency exchange. It's essential to understand the fee structure and compare it to other similar platforms. Customer reviews. While there are some positive reviews of Vivid Money, there are also reports of technical issues and customer service problems. It's crucial to weigh both positive and negative feedback. Regulatory compliance. Vivid Money is regulated by the BaFin, Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, in Germany. This is a positive sign, as regulated platforms are generally more trustworthy. Based on our analysis, Vivid Money appears to be a legitimate financial platform. However, it's important to conduct your own research and exercise caution before investing your money. Always read the terms and conditions carefully and understand the risks involved. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. It's always better to be cautious and do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. If you're considering using Vivid Money or any other financial platform, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.